How to send a photo as a snap on Snapchat. First thing first, head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. So here in the search bar, you need to search for upload. It will show you tons of different filters. You can head over to any one of the filters from here. Let me head over to the first one. So right here in this box, it will show you all of the pictures that are stored into your gallery. You can slide to the left and see more of it. From here, tap on any of the pictures that you want to send it as a snap. Let me select this picture for now. Once you have selected, tap on the snap button. So there you go, the snap looks like you have just taken right now. Now you can also edit this snap with all these features right here. Let me add the time to the snap, so tap on this icon right here. Select this time. You can place this time anywhere on the screen that you want. You can also swipe left or right in order to change the filter for the snap. And once you have selected the filter, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Now you can send this snap to any person that you want on Snapchat and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can send the photo as a snap on Snapchat. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.